welcome to my channel once again. I am your girl Teresa, and on today's tutorial we'll be learning how to make crochet wig. If you haven't, please like, share and comment and tell a friend. The hair we'll be using for our tutorial is a sample hair I got from eBay. This is a sample hair from eBay. According to them, they said it's partly human hair, and I don't know what the rest is, but I'm going to try it on. It's quite bouncy. The texture is very nice, and I'm going to try it as a crochet wig, and let's see what the outcome will be. So if you want to purchase this, you see my description to get the link to the eBay where I got this. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the back, and it's a lot easier for me to start from the back. And the dummy has got shower cap underneath, and the wig cap is doubled to allow for the wig to be solid enough when you put it on the head. Then I usually knot the hair twice before stitching. So the essence of the stitching is to make sure that the hair doesn't loosen after a short while. So you want to have a wig on that will last you a long time. trying to put on the wig. This wig, as I would say, is, in fact, I really don't know what to say about it, because the hair, I struggled to keep it, like, as you're doing it, it's unraveling. But at the end of the day, I won. It was a battle, but I won. But the thing is, the hair looks very beautiful just looking at it. But it's when you try to put it on the hair, trying to stitch it and crochet, it's just totally something totally different. So, but this hair is, it looks beautiful. The texture is nice, but I won't call it anything a mixture of human hair. It's nothing close to that. It should be like a, I don't even know what to call it. It should be in like Kanekon family, something like that. Well, aside from that, the hair is fine. At least I bought this for like £8, which is not bad. So this is it, and here I'm trimming it. I didn't want it long, because as I said, the hair is just a struggle. I struggled throughout trying to get it done. So I just wanted to see the looks that could come out of it if it's short. So here we go. So enjoy, and see you in my next video.